make sure your gear shifter is on, 2, and when you have shift the gear, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before starting the video, I want to introduce with my new series. In today's episode, we are going to cover edges, seat and mirrors, start engine and car control. So let's dive in. First thing first, let's familiarize yourself with the car's main control, which is steering wheel. And this is what you will use to steer the car. Always keep your both hands on it while driving. So after the steering wheel, the second most important thing is your seat adjustment. So let's see what is the comfortable position of the seat adjustment and how to do it. So here is the seat release under your seat. What you need to do is just press it down and you can slide your chair like this. So what is the best position of your seat adjustment? It adjusts your seat so that you can use your paddles throughout the range of the motion. Now I will show you how my seat is adjusted and how comfortably I can use my paddles. My seat is adjusted here and my knees are bent naturally and I can use my paddles comfortably. See, as you can see, I can reach to the floor, all the paddles, and I no need to stretch my legs like this to reach to my paddles. So this is the perfect way to judge how comfortably your seat is, and this is the correct way to adjust your seat. Okay. So after doing the seat adjustment, the next important thing is your side mirrors, which is very important. Before driving your car, you have to check if your side mirrors are adjusted properly or not. Okay, so for that, in new cars we have a mirror adjust knob, and you can adjust both of your mirrors, right and left, using this. Okay, suppose you need to adjust your right mirror. So what you need to do is just turn it to all the way right, press this joystick to the right and see upward, and you will see the movement in the side mirror. See, it will go in that way and this way. See, you can see the movement. This mirror is going all the way up and down. So yeah, in this way you can adjust your mirror. And same with the left, you just need to turn your knob and move your joystick to the all the way up to the left side, and this way you can use to adjust your mirror. Okay, but how you will know like your mirror is adjusted properly, how you will see? And I'm telling you the best way to adjust your mirror. What you need to check is, see, I will show you in the mirror. What you need to check is both of your car's handle will show in the bottom of the corner. Okay, this is the perfect way to judge if your side mirror is adjusted properly or not. In this way you can see your side lane, the lane besides you. You can judge And this mirror is more important while you are changing your lanes, so you can see the lane beside you and can have judgment through this. Okay, so after side view mirror, the next is your rear view mirror. This is your rear view mirror, and what is use of this is you can see behind your car, what's coming behind to your car. So, and how to adjust this, you just need to just shift it so that you can see what's you can see behind your car, what's coming behind you and which car is coming behind you. So yeah, this is the perfect way to shift so that you can see back side of your car. Okay, so after adjusting all the mirrors, there is few more important things. Is your indicators, your fog light, your AC control, and few other things. But as I already have done the detailing video on all of these, so I don't think I need to do it again. What I will do is I will just add that video at the end of this video so that you can see all the detailing of this. So now let's move to start the car. As I am going to drive a manual car, so before I start the car, I want to make sure two very important things. The first thing is your gear shifter is on neutral. Okay, make sure your gear shifter is on neutral. And second thing is your handbrake. Your handbrake is engaged. After checking both the things, then I move to start my car. So most of the car start with the clutch, but in some of the new cars you need to press both brake and clutch. So there is two different things, but mine will start with the clutch. And other thing is my car is a key operated, but some of the new cars have a push start button in it. So if you have a key operated car, what you need to do is just put your key in the ignition and 1, 2, and when you turn it twice, you will see all the lights on the screen. Okay, and then after turning it twice, what you need to do is press your clutch and turn it one more time and leave your clutch. Your car is start now. You can see all the indicators on the top. Now you know how to start the car. Okay, once your car gets start, I think you have to work on your shifting gears, which is the most important thing to drive your car smoothly. So let's move to the gear shifting, and for that you will get the PIP so that you can get a easy transmission. Let's move. Before shifting the gear, you need to know how many gears we have and what's its function. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th gear. We have 5 gears and other is reverse gear. 6th is a reverse gear. So how you will shift in it, let's move to that, and I will show you how you can shift it properly and very comfortably without any jerk. Okay, let's start with shifting the gears. I will show the coordination movement of the clutch pedal also, because if you don't press your clutch pedal, you will not able to shift your gear properly. Okay, let's shift into the first gear first. What you need to do, press your clutch and just move your gear handle to the left upward. That's a first gear. That's this first gear. And when your gear is shift, just leave your clutch pedal. Again, you need to change your second gear. What you will do, press your clutch pedal all the way down and slightly to the left and all the way down to the second gear. Leave your clutch pedal. Again, move to the third. Press your clutch pedal and back to the reverse mode and slightly right and upward is third. And leave your clutch pedal again. When your gear is, you have shift the gear, and then after you have to leave your clutch pedal. Otherwise, you will that would be extra wear on your clutch plates. So when you are shift to the gears, just leave your clutch pedal. Okay. Next, change to the fourth. Press your clutch pedal all the way down and shift just opposite to the third gear. Leave your clutch pedal again. Now move to the fifth one, slightly right and upside is fifth. Okay, and the last one is the reverse gear. Clutch pedal all the way to the down opposite to the fifth is reverse gear. So that's all. What you need to do is follow the diagram given on the this gear shifter handle. So you just need to follow this diagram and you will be easily know where is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and reverse. Usually it starts from the first at your left side and then opposite to that second and then third and fourth, fifth and so on. So here is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and then reverse. Do it again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and reverse. You have to practice on it more and more so that you can be confident on it. As you have seen in PIP how to shift your gear, now you will see me shifting my gears with my blindfolded. Okay, so I will shift as first, second, third, fourth, fifth and reverse. You can get your mastery on shifting gear by practicing more and more, because practice makes men perfect and women also. Okay, so what you need to do more and more practice on shifting gear and make sure your clutch pedal is pressed all the way down. Otherwise you will not be able to shift your gears properly. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope I explained very well, and if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon with the next tutorial video. Till then, keep practicing and have a safe driving. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.